We say that the Ford Escort is a fun car for young families. But George and Ethel can't agree on what we mean by fun.
I can see this is obviously a rare kit. On the front cover, we've obviously got the Mark I Mexico. And this was originally made by Meccano. That we got all the metal car, number plates, you've got the interior, you've got the glass, and over here you've got the paint, and a funny small seat as well. Got all the bits and bobs to put this all together. And over here you've got the instructions. I mean, this is some type of detail. Back in 1973, they obviously really thought that we're going to go out and buy this for children. Because you can just imagine some of these parts you could swallow and choke yourself on. And obviously the paint which comes in the kit is Humbrol. And then it's got all the instructions. It's even got different languages on here. Even surprising back in the 1973 that you'd have all different variations of languages. And down on the bottom there you can actually see the Taking Care, Meccano Limited, Made in England. Quite a nice little folder, folds up. And on the back of it just shows you what's actually the other items which are in. I mean, if you were buying this as a set, you'd want all these ones: Rolls-Royce, Volvo, Volkswagen. There's quite a nice little list of it. I guess if you've got all that lot, you'd be in your element. I mean, that would be a full-blown collection. On this one, you've got a little tear on here. And obviously, the packaging is not too bad. I mean, let's be fair, it's 1973. But apart from that, it's not that bad. Now, these go on eBay and Amazon value-wise between 50 and 80 pounds, if you're lucky. One did sell in 2020 for around about 70 pounds. But there again, it's down to each person. If you're into Ford Mark I Mexico and you want this particular model in your collection, this is what you're going to be looking out for. And obviously, it only takes two people in an auction to get the price stupid. I can't remember how much I paid for this, but it wasn't a lot. Well, there you go, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters!